Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2007 Yamaha TTR125 with electric start. This youth dirt bike just came to us. Great condition, just through the shop, 2 brand new tires, runs perfect, only $29.99. Come on by, make your youth dirt bike dreams come true with this gorgeous Yamaha TTR125. Push button start, you're gonna love it. No financing on this one, but we do have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.